Niko fiti sana.
Tuko na nani hapa hivi?
Naitwa Mmanyi Brian. I'm a student. So I was aspirant of the ZTech presidency in 2023.
So swali leo ni how do you see politics in a public institution or private institution?
Yeah, from my view, the campus or university chapter for the politics and leadership, it changed. Where we had students who are voting one-on-one with maybe want to vote for the treasurer, for the sports and entertainment secretary, they were voting one-on-one. But I think they changed and then they introduced the thing of delegates. So we have somebody maybe presenting from education, from maybe media, law. Those people are the one go and maybe elect the president and the executive at large.
So what's your suggestion about that? About how do you want them to do
the campus politics?
I
think most this introduction of new system of voting, it reduced the vibrancy of the leaders. Let's say like in my campus, let's say ZTech University, we don't have that vibrancy campaignings. We don't have that leaders exploiting their mandate clearly. Unapata watu wanaambiwa kwamba kama ni siasa msipige zile za kelele, msinge na magari. But you know, we are preparing future leaders. We are preparing future politics. So ukipata like they are limiting these vibrancy of campaigns, students could express sana, unapata like the politics is so dormant. So my suggestion on this and my plea to the ZTech administration, at least they allow these vibrant campaigns. At least pia itafanya the student from this particular campus wajue like we have campaigns, we have elections maybe which are coming. At least pia wao they have that urge to participate in this leadership process.
So after the campus politics, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I think now Kenya, it has educated youths, and I think it's a revolution. And I'm yearning to be an MP at my area constituency.
Where do you come from?
Nyaribari Masaba.
Nyaribari
Masaba at Kisii County.
At Kisii County.
So
this is the next MP 2027.
Very vibrant one, the very strong one.
Gen Z.
We must the one term, that's what the slogan first, the one term, then is Okoa Kenya Revolution.
That's good,
I
confused you.